Bone Marrow Diseases. Introduction. Do stem cells in the bone marrow only grow into white blood cells? Select yes or no. Correct. Stem cells are found in the bone marrow. These cells can grow into all three types of blood cells. Kate has been feeling very weak and tired lately. She has also been losing weight without trying and keeps getting infections. Should Kate see her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Feeling weak and tired, losing weight without trying, and frequent infections may be signs of a problem. Kate should contact her healthcare provider. In people with aplastic anemia, the bone marrow does not make enough new blood cells. Select true or false. Correct. Aplastic anemia is also called bone marrow failure. This is because the bone marrow does not make enough new blood cells in people with the disorder. Which of the following is true about people with MDS? Choose one of the following options. 1. People with MDS may not have the right amount of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. 2. People with MDS may have many stem cells that do not develop into working blood cells. 3. Both 1 and 2. Correct. Are all cancers that affect the bone marrow treated in the same way? Select yes or no. Correct. Treatment for cancer that affects the bone marrow depends on the type. It also depends on how advanced the cancer is when it is found. Thank you for using Explain.